Can I just do the let's get into it?
Yeah.
Oh man. Okay. Hey guys, it's Cale here with Maston's Plumbing and Drain. Thank you for stopping by the Maston's YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. Do me a favor, don't scroll past, watch the whole thing. I promise you, you're gonna find something of value here today. Something you can take away from and use in the field or just in your personal life. We are a trade-based company, but this could apply to you in your personal life as well. At the end of this video, if you did find value in it, would you please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up? So let's get into it. I was literally on the phone with the guy yesterday. He was calling me, and the job was sold. There was an expectation that once he got into the crawl space, there could be a little bit of additional work. Well, he's calling me and he's stressed out, you know, as the installer and stuff, about talking to this guy, and he's telling me on the phone, he's like, I'm normally not this guy. The only thing we can do is repipe this guy's whole house. I said, well, hang on a second. First of all, we give options, we don't give ultimatums. So walk me through your process. Like, walk me through your thought process of what's going on here. And once we backtracked that and broke that down, we were able, he just couldn't break 90s loose on galvanized lines. So in his mind, it just became this bigger problem. I've been there. Look, I've been there myself. You're making mountains out of molehills, right? You get stuck and locked in on this problem that you can't see a solution around. So the knee-jerk reaction is to rip everything out and start over. Anyway, after talking with him long enough, we were able to provide this homeowner with multiple solutions to the one problem that was going on. Because the guy wasn't wrong. It was galvanized pipe, it was rusted, it was seized. He's gonna have to cut it out, and at that point, he's gonna have to go back further. You know, this was for some shower valve water line replacements. But what we were able to do was position this in such a way to educate that homeowner. After we found the problems, we came up with solutions to it. You know, you don't bring somebody problems without solutions. And if you're a tech in the field or anybody that works for underneath anyone else in management, your managers and owners don't like that either. Don't come to us with a problem without a solution in place. Because if you're doing that, we're thinking for you. The goal is for you to start to develop and have that thought process, critical thinking, to work out of that problem. So once we did that together, he was able to provide those options. And guess what? That homeowner, looking at the evidence, being thoroughly walked through his home, seeing what we were seeing, he actually did choose to go ahead and repipe the entire hot side of his house. But he made the decision, not the technician in the field. That's very important. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And if you've made it this far, don't forget, hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for your time.